primarily utilizing the cataloging capability which they have as a part of that tool. So these things are there. I know about this instance because I've been very closely trying to understand as to how some of these things work. But beyond that, I have heard there are other companies who are doing it. I think within the Azure space, they are looking at, Microsoft is building some of those capabilities. They have it, which depend as to how is it that you subscribe to that with the OpenAI and all. So it's just that maybe you might not have seen it, but then this was a challenge in the past, but this is now, there are solutions available.
I'll add on to that actually. So while we also build our own products, we have that question that how do we do that? Procurement is a challenge, data procurement is a challenge, and all those things. So you really have to explore partnerships, as Amit is saying. So because if you build your own model, that will be effective only if you have trained it over a period of time, and that will require effort, time, everything, right? So if you are not looking at a longer time frame, then partnerships is the way to go. Then you can utilize someone like a ChatGPT or something else wherein you have good LLM models already in place which you can utilize. But if you are building something very niche, specifically let's say for a pharma market domain wherein you are building a medical kind of a product and you don't see very good LLM products, models available online, then you can build your own model. Then your little bit of training or some amount of training might also generate much useful insights as compared to the already existing models which are non-pharma trained. I can take very basic example, sentiment analysis on pharma conversations, LLM models, not very abundantly available, but there are so many machine learning models which are available for sentiment analysis beyond pharma.
Yes.
So you need to take that call, which is more effective for you, which is giving you the right results, because at the end of the day, accuracy matters. So hence, you need to see whether you can explore partnerships or you want to do it on your own.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so I think we'll close this session now. So we touched upon multiple things. I think we'll all require some time to process it. We touched upon the partnership aspect of the ecosystem with different partners or players coming together. We spoke about the governance aspect of it, which is a very critical thing as we look at data and using AI on top of data to drive use cases. We spoke about the upcoming ideas in terms of synthetic data, using open source data, setting up open source standards for data. However, what remains fundamental, again, is being close to business and understanding the business requirements of the business use case and developing the human capability aspect of understanding data, working with AI models better. So the business and the humans working with the business still remain primary, even though AI is gradually evolving. Yeah, so that's what we'll close with. Thank you everyone for staying back, and thank you to Sahil, Ramesh, and the entire PharmaScroll team for bringing us together and hosting this wonderful event. Thank you.
Hey, thank you everyone. Thank you, panel. We'll just. All right, so we are towards the end of the event. Before I say the closing lines, I would like to announce the winner of the quiz that we had today. So let's go through the answers first, because the maximum score we have is 8 out of 10. So for the first question, the right answer is bioequivalence study. For second, studies after the FDA approval, it's phase 4 or pharmacovigilance. Then TreasureTile is a database of all of the above. Treatment, widely accepted standard of care. FDA equivalent is CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Then how does social BI help? It generates data and insights, analyzing social media conversations. Generating LMM, the answer is BioGPT, I believe. Yes. Tricky part is actually all of them exist. So now on ChatGPT, we can create our own models, right? We can all, it's called Builder. So I saw that, a lot of builders have created their own GPTs and all of them exist, but by Microsoft, that is BioGPT, right? Then in an ideal scenario, which of these is true? A territory can have multiple reps, but a rep can online with only one territory. Option C. What is called detailing activity? Option B, when a rep meets HCP to promote the brand. And self-serve can answer from all of the above. So the highest scorer is Abhishek D. Is he here? Oh, nice. So, yeah, please come. Yeah. So you scored 8 out of 10. Thank you. And then we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people with 7 marks. Okay. Manish Kumar, I'm so sorry. AI running through my mind today. Manish Kumar, Sudhanshu, Pradeep, Nupur, and Pavan. I request you all to come on the stage once. Manish, Sudhanshu, Pradeep, Nupur, and Pavan. Now there will be a tiebreaker. So not everyone is winning. So I'll go on to the next slide, which has the tiebreaker, and whosoever will answer will get the gift. And maybe you can raise your hand or just say out loud, and you can help me decide which who said it first, right? Maybe like a queue. Okay, so 5, right? Okay, 3, 2, 1. To measure adherence, we have MPL and PDC. Which of the following is true? Options are like 1 can be greater than 1, less than 1, both can be greater than 1, both cannot be. Tiebreakers are supposed to be hard, so I'm sorry. Nice. But you got the word just now, right? Oh, okay, sorry. So, winner. Yeah, so the answer is B. MPR is greater than 1. PDC cannot be greater than 1. Yeah, congratulations. Can you please come on the stage? You're Pradeep, right? Yes. Congratulations. All right, everyone. I think this was a fun event. Some of the panel discussions went beyond the time, but I think we all gained from it, right? And lost nothing. We started with the chief guest keynote, which I personally liked very much. And then we had discussions on AI in drug development, to commercial, to Salesforce, and finally in data as a service or data repository. And also we discussed about the PharmaScroll tools we had, social BI, self-serve, and treasure tell. So I think it was a fun event, and I think we should do this again, Sahil, sometime after everyone gets rest, right? There's a lot of consume and absorb. So once again, I would like to thank everyone, all the speakers, all the presenters, and the audience as well. So thank you so much, and please give a round of applause for yourself. All right, and guess we can leave. Hope everyone had tea and snacks, right? See you next year. Bye. Thank you.